Now with your portrait file open in Flash, go to File, to Import to Library. Navigate to the Movie folder. And select Project Voice or Portrait Voice. And import to Library. Now in the layer palette, make a new layer and title it Voice. Insert a keyframe at 20. Look in the library and drag your project voice or portrait voice symbol voice to the layer palette at 20. With your frame 20 is selected, look in the property tab. If you don't have your property tab, go to Window, to Properties. Look in the property tab and set the sync to stream. Now lock the layer and unlock go to Tool Palette and select your Zoom tool and zoom in closer to where the lips are, the inner and outer lip. Now go to the layer palette and unlock the outer lip and the inner lip. Select them at frame 20. Well, select them where you begin to hear your voice. So when you strobe over it, you can hear. At this point, this is where my mouth opens up at. So we can add a keyframe for both the inner and outer lip. Hold the shift key and add keyframe. Insert keyframes. Insert timeline keyframe. Now from here, go to your tool palette and select your free transform tool. Alright, now you can open this up. Just the middle corner. That's where we begin to open up at. And select the inner lip separately. Alright, that's where you begin to say more at that point. So when you scrub over it, you begin to say something there. So at this point, add keyframes, open the mouth and close the mouth at certain points along with to synchronize it with your voice. Now after you've done that, then you just have to play it. Animation is easy. Now you can go in and make some final adjustments, like adjust the eyebrows, and if you want other items to move, you can do that too. Now this is what it looks like when you completed your final adjustments, or as much as you want to complete. Animation is easy. Now at this point I want you to export it. You go to File, to export and export movie. Alright, look for your folder. It's okay, portrait, it can go in your folder. And then set the format for QuickTime. Alright, once you set the format for QuickTime, you click Save. Alright, at this point, click on QuickTime Settings. Click on Settings again. Make sure this compression type is set for animation. 12 frames a second. Once that is complete, then you click OK. And just click OK on the other windows as well. And this one you can export. Click Export. The sign will come up, export is now complete. Now you also need to export it out as a shockwave file as well, so you can go to Export again, Export Movie, and look for the shockwave format or Flash Movie. Either one of these would do fine. Sometimes animated GIF would do. In this case, just go with Flash Movie for this one. And click, make sure it's going in the folder, then click Save. Okay, and then click OK. It's all done.